have to overlook my hair, but I'm sure you're hearing in the background. I've been working on her for 2 days, but we got her running a little bit. It's getting a little water in it or something, backfiring through the carburetor a little bit. But got it running, and I had to change every vacuum on it. They were all wrong, and now I'm just going to let it get up to temperature and make sure everything's good. All my plaskets over here, you'll hear it sputter every now and then. I've got a